Well, here's the filter out of the vac that I was telling you about. It's not terribly dirty, but it's dirty enough. What I did is I took a piece of all thread and cut these round wood pieces, set it up so that it comes to the inside on the top and down in here. Then you stick it in and try and find the hole. There we go. And then it goes just inside of there. Gets a washer, gets a nut, tighten it up, and it'll pull the wood in on the bottom a fair amount, as you see. Then we put this part up on the drill. And then we seem to have no power. Hang on here. Sorry about the concrete pictures. Okay. Zoom this back out a little bit. And because I've only got one hand to operate it with, what you normally do is take a putty knife and kind of ease it across the blade. But you can see it's starting to clear up now. I think it's pretty clean. And that's that.